Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can locate some excellent resources to meet certain standards in your grade level and content area that you're working with. The site is myoer.org, which OER stands for Open Education Resource. So these are all free lesson plans, and I just found out about it this summer. So anyway, but I've definitely been trying to spread the word. So all I'm doing is I went to Google and I'm typing in myoer.org, and you'll see that I can bring it up down there. Hopefully it will open. And you can go ahead, you don't have to log in, but I'm a member, so I'm going to go ahead and put my information in. It's free to join, so nothing big there. So anyways, you'll see down there it says register for a free account. Alrighty, and so then what I'm going to do is, because we're interested in standards, I'm going to go to search by standards, and what you'll notice here is we've got 21st century standards, also Common Core for ELA, which includes history, social studies, science, and technical subjects, and then also Common Core state standards for math. So since you are interested in something for 7th grade geography, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Common Core for ELA. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and click 7th grade. So that way I'm not getting all of the resources there. And then depending upon what I want my students to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the College and Career Readiness Anchor Standards for Writing. And you'll notice here I've got writing standards for literacy and history, social studies, science, and technical subjects. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see the different types of anchor standards, excuse me, not anchor standards, standards underneath there for that. And so let's suppose I'm going to go to research to build and present knowledge. And you'll see that once I've done that, I've found what the standards are, and you'll notice this is for history, social studies, science, and technical subjects. And this one here says conduct short research projects to answer a question, including a self-generated question, draw on several sources, and generating additional related focus questions that allow for multiple avenues of exploration. So what this 14 means is there's supposed to be 14 resources that go with this particular standard there. And you'll notice that what we have here is we have the lessons that are there, and or all of the information that is there. Now I'm going to try this. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to type in geography. Alrighty, and so then here are two examples of lessons that involve geography. This one here is called World Traveler Passport Geography Unit. Students study an area of interest in research, create maps and a passport displaying maps, points of interest, and political and cultural information. And opportunities to create shorter research and writing process projects is there too. All right, so when I clicked on that, you'll notice that I get this page. Don't worry about it. All it is, it's a disclaimer, and I've put up there by the Michigan Department of Ed, who we're working in South Dakota in conjunction with Michigan. So you can click this so it says do not show this disclaimer in the future, and then take me to the resource, and voila, there you get this lesson, and it's from a site which is wonderful. It's called ALEX, Alabama Learning Exchange, which Alabama is also in the Common Core standards. So anyway, here is the lesson, and you'll notice that it has all of the Alabama, um, probably what their old standards were, but it does meet the new Common Core standard, which is what we want. And it tells you how long it's going to take, what's needed by the students, and so on. But anyway, chances are the lesson will be very engaging for your students. Hopefully this has been helpful for you to see how you can locate some lessons that you can use for your practicum that will address the Common Core state standards. Thanks for listening.